Hi everybody, welcome back again for March Madness 2025. Today we are doing the Pilates you can call it rocking or rocker. So without any further ado, we are going to be on our stomach. There's a lot of prep that goes into this. I'm going to get straight into it though. We're going to have our feet up, we're going to grab our feet, lift the thighs and the chest off the mat, and we'll go forward and back, and we're rocking. And I'm super tight right now because I haven't warmed up, so I hope that I am moving. We're coming up as high as we are. 3, 2, last one. Whew. That is Pilates Rocker. And thank you for coming back and joining me again, and I will see you tomorrow.